Hey guys, this is Matt from Jay's Printers. Anyways, I wanted to show you what you should do if you have to move your printer around or ship it back to us or anything like that. The first thing you want to do is turn this off. What you're going to need to do is take these jugs right here, dump them out. What I have here is a 5-gallon bucket, half full of water, and then dump it into sawdust if you have any or something like that. And then from there dispose of it. So I got a rag here to make it less messy, and then you can kind of just tilt it into the bucket. Now if that's not working for you, see, it's working for me, but it may make a mess like that. If it's not working for you, then you could pull these little tabs out one by one. They just pop right out. I'm gonna put the cap on before I spill. So you just pull these out one by one. Just put them back in when you're done. There you go, like that. You saw it's kind of messy, so be sure to wear glasses, and even pull them out with a rag is a good idea. And then specifically for the white one here, you can easily pull out these screws right here. Another thing you may want to keep in mind is that the wiper has wiped some of the ink down in here, so you may want to get a syringe and try sucking it out if there's any under there. Sometimes there's not a lot and it'll be fine, but that's something to keep in mind, especially if you plan on tilting this on its side. Another thing you do not want to forget about is the waste bottle. I suggest pulling it up something like this with a rag, so that way it doesn't splatter everywhere. Maybe use a Ziploc bag or something to hold this, and then empty out the actual waste bottle. See that sawdust down in there? The box is only there to help not get it on the actual barrel. Sadly, this probably will make a huge mess. So you can be as careful as you want. Sadly, I don't have very good luck with this. I always end up making some type of mess, but hopefully you're better than me. When you're done with that, then you're going to want to use some protective moisturizer fluid. You see we already poured some in here, but you just pour that right in here. I kind of overflowed it, but that's fine. And we have a whole video about that on Jay's to-do list. And then be sure that you always lock the head back in position. Another thing you're going to want to do is make sure that it is locked in the locked position, the head, and then you put this in, which just goes here and right here. And it basically, during shipping, you put some screws in there. It makes sure that the head stays locked and doesn't flap around while in shipping. If you don't have this piece anymore, see what you can do to leave this pushed over. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions about this. Don't ship used ink. It's better to probably get rid of that and only ship sealed bottles if you have to move it anywhere, because it can get kind of messy. Let me know if you have any other questions, and we'll see you next time. Peace.